Dear students, in the today's class we will discuss about the introduction to quantum mechanics. So in this class we will try to understand what is quantum mechanics, what is mechanics, what is the classical mechanics, the difference between classical mechanics and quantum mechanics, what is the need for development of quantum mechanics, why the quantum mechanics came into picture, what are the drawbacks of classical mechanics. So we will discuss all these details in this class. So to begin with, before understanding quantum mechanics, first we have to understand what is mechanics. So first we will try to understand what is mechanics first. So in general, mechanics can be described as the motion of objects. The motion of objects is known as mechanics. So I can say motion of objects is known as mechanics. So as a motion of objects, the objects may be large in dimension like bus, car, sun, moon, earth, or they may be small in dimension like atomic or subatomic particles like nucleus, atoms, molecules, and so on and so forth. So in general, we say motion of objects or motion of particles is what is known as mechanics. Then there are two classifications for mechanics. One is what is known as classical mechanics, other one is what is known as quantum mechanics. So one is classical mechanics, the second one is quantum mechanics. So we will try to understand what is the classical mechanics and what is quantum mechanics. Classical mechanics deals with the motion of the objects which are large in dimensions, like objects like car, bus, vehicle, sun, moon. So all these objects which are very large in dimensions, the motion of these objects will be described in what is known as classical mechanics. So classical mechanics deals with the motion of the objects which are very large in dimension. Then the question is, what is quantum mechanics? So we can say quantum mechanics is a branch of physics which deals with the motion of the objects which are very small in dimensions, like the motion of an electron, motion of a proton, motion of a neutron, motion of a nucleus, or the molecules. So all these atomic level particles, atomic and subatomic, which are very small in dimensions. So these motions will be described by what is known as quantum mechanics. So we can say quantum mechanics deals with the motion of the particles which are very small in dimensions, atomic and subatomic level, that of an electron, motion of a proton, motion of a nucleus, atoms, molecules, so and so. So in general, we can say classical mechanics deals with the motion of the objects which are very large in dimensions like sun, moon, earth, bus, car, all those things. Whereas quantum mechanics deals with the motion of the particles which are very small in dimensions like electrons, protons, neutrons, so and so. Then the question is, what is the need for development of earlier whatever the mechanics we described till Newtonian mechanics? We say that it's all about classical mechanics. The question is, when we had classical mechanics, what is the need for quantum mechanics? When we had the laws of Newton's, the fundamental three laws of Newton's, we had the Newtonian mechanics. What was the need for development of quantum mechanics? Why the quantum mechanics came into picture? To understand this, we have to go to the what is known as black body radiation. Earlier all the motions of all the objects which are large in dimensions were very well explained by classical mechanics. There was no problem whatsoever. The fundamental laws of Newton, the three laws, first law of Newton, second law of Newton, and the third law of Newton, they successfully explained all the motion of all the particles which were large in dimensions. But the problem came into picture when the concept like black body radiation came into picture. So what is black body radiation, or the energy distribution in black body spectrum? So what was the problem? So in black body energy distribution spectrum, what happened? The classical mechanics was unable to explain the distribution of energy in case of black body spectrum.